So we have all of these ribbons running along the edge. And they all have colour-coded beads.
Yes.
Get rid of this one around you like a cape. And then we have buttons on the lining that all have the colours of the beads as well. So you correspond the buttons to the ribbons. So first of all, we tie these ones up. These all have a skin tone ribbon. I just tie these into a bow, and that lifts the lining up. So the lining's all floor length now.
Yeah.
Alright, you can go. So there's a brown one and a brown. So that just, which way is it going to go? This way. And then the pink one through its buttonhole. That's the purple. And then as you get towards the centre, they get a bit higher. Purple. And then black is a little bit higher. And we're halfway now.
Right.
So it'll take a minute.
Yeah.
But you just sort of got to progress through all the different colours. And on the day, what you can do is you can twist the fabric, right, and then put it on. And then when it untwists, it like locks the ribbon on.
Okay.
Like that. So if it's, if anything slides or anything, you can just twist it that way to make it stay on a bit better. Depends how energetic you're going to be with your dancing. Because the fabric is so thin, you need so many points because it will just fall with like every little bit, whereas if it's a more structured fabric, it'll stay up a little bit more.
Yeah.
Might twist this one. Alright. There we go.
Right.
Now you can take a spin if you like. Now it's the same as though it's hemmed all straight at the back.